In this video, you'll learn how to use Inbox to manage your business communications. To open your inbox, go to your site dashboard and select Customer Management. Every time a visitor contacts you, performs an action on your site, or buys one of your products or services, you'll see it here. And you can respond from right here at the bottom. Click Info to see more details about a contact, like contact info, labels, attachments, and bookings. You can also add tasks and notes like this to help you get to know your contacts and give the best customer service. With quick actions, up here, you can instantly create an invoice or price quote and schedule a session. If you have chat installed, this panel will show you which visitors are on your site at any time. You'll also see what page they're on, how long they've been on your site, and where in the world they're visiting from. This helps you give tailored customer service. For example, our visitor's now on the shop page, so let's see what she needs. From down here, you can quickly send products and discount coupons to help you drive sales. You can also save your go-to responses to reply faster and save time. Download the Wix app to your phone to keep the conversation going wherever you are. Start managing all your business communications with Inbox. And check out more products from Ascend by Wix, designed to help you manage and grow your business.